Hi, today I want to share with you a powerful automation tool we've developed to tackle one of the most common yet challenging aspects of our digital lives, managing emails. Specifically, I'll be diving into our email analysis automation, how it works, and the incredible benefits it offers. So let's get started. The first module, of course, is to connect your email to it, so which is pretty straightforward. So I won't go further into this. Next, we're using GPT-4 to create the JSON response. So you just pretty much want to tell it what you want it to do. So pretty much analyze the email and then provide it everything from the email that you need necessary to create that JSON response. And of course, in the system here, we want to make sure that we give it specific instructions on what to return and what to do here. So here I explicitly tell it to return a JSON and I give it an example of what type of JSON to return. And the next module is just to parse the JSON itself. So pretty simple and straightforward. If you have questions, just let me know. And lastly, we just added to our Google Sheets here. For example, you can add it anywhere you would like, but here we're using our Google Sheets and we just kind of map all the different things that we need for it. So if I go to the Google Sheet that I created right now, it's empty. So let's go ahead and go back to make.com and run it. So currently right now, I'm just telling it to just bring us only 3 results. So we'll go ahead and run it. And then I'll be back once this is complete. All right, looks like it's done. So let's check it in Google Sheets here. So as you can see, it did populate the information here. And the most important thing here and very helpful that will save a lot of people a lot of time is it tells you what the email subject is. It tells you what the actionable item is. For example, for this one, it's job opportunity for entrepreneurs. And also it tells you what the suggested action should be. So for example, this one, review the job description and apply for the position if it aligns with your career goals. And also, as you can see here, it does create a draft reply that you can use to kind of as a starting point. If you can also set it to give you more details when drafting the emails to your liking, as well as giving you the actual link to the email so you can go ahead and paste the reply right into it. And that's pretty much it. So the benefits of this tool are clear. It saves time by automating the analysis of emails, increases efficiency by suggesting actions and drafting replies, and enhancing accuracy by ensuring no actionable emails goes unnoticed. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple and straightforward. Yeah, that's it. And you guys have a good day.